9 minus 6, which equals 3. 3 times 2 divided by 3. Then 3 times 2, which equals to 6, and divided by 3. 6 divided by 3, which equals to 2. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parenthesis, then exponent, multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. Okay, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression there is one subtraction here, one multiplication, and one division here. Okay, therefore we have to multiply from left to right. This one has higher priority than this division. Okay, therefore 6 times 2, okay, which is 12, and divided by 3. 9 minus 12 divided by 3, and here there is subtraction and division. According to Pemdas, division has higher priority than subtraction, because division comes before subtraction. Therefore we have to divide this number first. 12 divided by 3, which gives us 4. Then 9 minus 4. Okay, 9 minus 4 is just 5. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Therefore the correct answer of this problem is equals to 5.